Mirror, mirror on the wall, who is fairest of them all? How to make your girlfriend feel good about herself. This is Dr. Paul, author of Boomer Girls, a boomer woman's guide to men and dating, and a host of Ask Dr. Paul. That can be a very, very tricky area. And here's where I want to go with you on that one. I've had many women call me and tell me how a man has made them feel good about themselves. I've also had them call saying how they have made them not feel good about themselves. But let's go to the positive. We all know the ad on TV, do you think this dress makes me look fat? And the answer is, that color really looks good on you. All right? Always answer in the indirect approach. But to make her feel good about herself, you may say, you know, there are a lot of women who think they know how to dress, but darling, you really know, and I really appreciate that. Now, she heard appreciate. Understand that? She heard appreciate. For her to feel good about herself, she needs to know that you appreciate her. Don't take her for granted. That will not make her feel good about herself. I really like the way you drive. I mean, it's amazing that so many guys get upset with their girlfriends or wives or fiance, whatever it may be, but I feel comfortable driving with you. Does that make her feel good about herself? Of course it does. And why is that? Because the classic sitcom, well, she's a woman driver. But you didn't say that. You made her feel good about herself. This is Dr. Paul. May your fantasies of today be your realities of tomorrow.